there's a guy from two guys from US. So we were looking for a place to eat because of the food. So we found this is one of the best places we could, because it's near.
So guys, actually made this. Welcome back to my channel, of course. And I was like, let me just do this separate video trying the Italian food here in Addis Ababa. So we're here in this Italian restaurant, and it's actually one of the best, I guess, in Addis Ababa. So yeah.
But does in mustard?
Maybe I've any food.
Ah, this in mustard. I'm saying. You know, unajibomba tu na unachukua hii.
Wow, this is starter.
So you need chili, and then we have some, I think, some vegetables or something. I can't call it.
Something like kachumbari. I can see onions.
I think this is olives. Yeah.
These olives. Wow. Let's dig in. How do you call this?
I don't even know, man. Crazy.
We're just eating out here.
But it's a nice place.
It's a very nice place. So I'm actually taking a beer here. It's my favorite Ethiopian beer. So yeah.
So, pasta, you'll get it anyway.
Okay.
Italians, that's the one thing they left here. Nothing else.
So like I told you guys, I actually met this guy. This guy texted me on Instagram a few days ago, and I was like, he was like, are you planning to meet your fans here in Ethiopia? I was like, no. Because you know, at the end of the day, it's seen your time.
Exactly.
Nataka tu create content back to back.
Yeah.
Then when I go back, I edit.
So, pretty much with the time that you have, you see what you can.
Yeah. So he's also on Instagram. Go spam his page.
Nice to see you guys. Welcome.
Instagram handle.
Yeah, my Instagram Isaiah Kello. Yeah. Hit me up.
Just go check his channel out, man. This what, you know, he's from Kenya. I'm from Kenya. We've never met. We just started talking 2 days ago, and now we're here having this starter. Pasta is coming. Beautiful.
Crazy. It's amazing how people can meet online and you've never even seen each other.
You've never.
But the power of technology, that's one thing, you know. At the end of the day, we get to meet new people, get to explore different places. Yeah. So even we have a couple of YouTubers which you'll never know that you'll meet in real life.
Yeah, of course.
And then you get to see them, like Damaris is around and other guys who have been here.
Wow, pasta. There's you've got some,
I think it's some beef.
This some beef, this sausage, or smoky. But then it's smoky pasua.
Smoky pasua.
So yeah, so this is the Italian food you actually, you know, take.
Interesting, but
it's very good.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't know what this is. Let me see.
It's as if it looks like fish. Is it fish?
It's like chicken.
It's gonna be a big issue.
This is the first meal I'm actually taking of Addis.
I'm actually gonna take a beer. Take another beer.
You know, with me, since I got into Ethiopia, which was juicy, there's nothing I could have, like, go to a hotel and be like, yo, I need this. Because I don't know the different types of food they have. So I'm always like,
even up to now, I still don't know. Like, the only thing I think I can say that I can order that is good, chips.
what's that?
It's like basically it's meat, and then there's a way that they cut the meat into small pieces, basically. Yeah. So and then they cook it in a specific way. It's like a traditional Ethiopian dish. So tips is something you can eat pretty much, and I think if you're having issues trying to find the food that you can eat, just say rice and meat. No, but most probably you'll be brought rice and beef meat. Yeah, there's once I was actually I asked for rice and meat. You know, like if you're from Kenya and you're used to getting rice, kando, and then nyama kando. So I mean, you can eat your rice, and then I'm looking at the rice. I'm like, where's the meat? And then she's like, inside. And then I was trying to search for the meat.
The small one.
Yeah. And then when I turned like this, I saw it was a meat. Yeah. So from there I started like experimenting with other types of food. But tips is okay.
So to me, I was just like, the only food I know is injera. That's all. So I was just like injera. Then yesterday I actually took some injera in Awasa. Ndimi imejaza.
And then tips also to avoid is ordering raw meat, because that's a popular delicacy in
yeah, I actually saw someone yesterday eating raw meat. I was like,
exactly,
what?
If you can't handle the bacteria, you're gone.
Ethiopians, why are you guys into eating raw meat? But it's culture, so
I think also Dave Money, I think those guys, you know the Dave Money, those the two Canadians.
Yeah, I know them.
Yeah, they went to a Ethiopian restaurant, and I think one of the things they avoided was the raw meat. Because I really don't understand. We have had some local creators, content creators,
very good local
and
creators.
they're not getting the same deals or the same opportunities as the international creators are getting. You know, one thing most people have to understand is that we are not complaining. We know we're just asking for the same opportunity. Yeah, that's all.
What is the name again?
Which one? The olives.
The olives.
Yeah, olives.
So guys, I've just tried, giving a bite to this. It tastes so bad. How do people even eat these things? They've got pretty much awesome name, but
And I mean, these are guys who they kept olives in the pizza. Wow.
There are just some people who can't do without it. This is the kachumbari of Ethiopia. Let's give it a taste. It tastes very, very much different than the normal kachumbari. Nachikile kachumbari ya chipomwitu. That's the real kachumbari. That's the real kachumbari. But this one, they've worked on it. So guys, we're just done taking some Italian food here in an Ethiopian restaurant. Very beautiful place. You can see the pictures, awesome. People are having dinner here. Thanks to this guy. Cheers, man. Yep.
Nice.
And having some habesha. So yeah, we're done. They also have some wine here. Yeah.
Thank you.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe. Go check in on Instagram. Spam his page. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.